Hi class, Haley here, and today I will be talking about the human brain and some of its functions. Starting off, we will be starting with the cortex, which is divided into 4 regions. The first region is the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is for personality and emotions, higher thinking skills like problem solving and controlling movement, and this will continue to develop until we are about in our mid-20s. Up next, we have the temporal lobe. This helps process hearing and other senses and helps with language and reading. Up next, we have the parietal lobe. The parietal lobe involves with your senses, attention, and language. Up next, we have the occipital lobe. This helps you see, includes shapes and regions, as well as seeing colors. Moving to the middle of the brain, we have the thalamus. The thalamus is the center of the brain. This relays sensory and motor information to the cortex, helps with consciousness, sleep, and alertness. Moving down here, we have the cranial nerves. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves going all the way, cranial nerves carrying information from your senses and from the brain and body. Up next, we have the cerebellum. That is lower in the brain, plays a key role in motor control, coordination, and spatial navigation. For example, finding our way out of a maze would be part of the cerebellum in the brain. Up next, we have the brain stem. This connects to the brain. This connects the brain to the spinal cord and the nerve path that runs all the way down your back, sending and receiving information from your senses. The brainstem contains the pons. Right here, this yellow part is the pons. And the pons helps control our breathing. It also contains the medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata, which regulates our heart and our body reflexes like vomiting, coughing, sneezing, and swallowing. Up next, we have the limbic system region. This is a region, right here is the limbic system. This is a region under the cortex axis. It accesses our emotions and drives. It contains the brain's reward circuit, which releases the chemical dopamine. Dopamine makes us feel pleasure. Pleasure motivates us to repeat important human behaviors like eating, having fun with friends, or falling in love, and it even encourages some risky behavior. So this is our limbic system. And the limbic system contains the hippocampus. So right here, one part of the limbic system is the hypothalamus. This is in the temporal lobe, which is like a memory index. It sends memories that contains part of the brain from the storage and receives them when you need them. We also have the amygdala. This processes our motions, and that is my video on the human brain and its functions. Bye guys.